Hi, this is Lisa from Inspire to Thrive. I wanted to show you today how you can do a video presentation with Canva easily and quickly. It's something that I learned accidentally when I was making my last new course online, How to Increase Web Traffic. I wanted to be able to have students see me in the video, but small, like the little circle at the bottom left-hand corner. So I learned very quickly how it could be done on Canva. And I was so excited because I'd been using PowerPoint and Camtasia to do a lot of my how-to videos and instructional videos. So this was a great way to do them even easier. First, you have to choose your talking presentation in your Canva account. So if you go to the talking presentation, that's where you can get started. And then pick your slides, just like you would do with any Canva graphic or design. If you've done other like Canva Reels, that was another how-to instruction video I had produced, you just go through, you find your slides, you make it into a video. But with this, you can actually record and be part of the video, which I think is fabulous. On the slides, you can pick photos or graphics, and you could import your own as well. Then make sure you have your microphone ready. Your voice always comes out better with a microphone versus just your computer itself. So do have a microphone handy when you're recording. And then check the camera settings. You want to be in the middle, not way over here or way over there. And that takes a little practice. So you can get used to that in your practices. Then you're ready. You hit present and record in the upper right-hand corner in your Canva account. And that's when you start doing your recording. You'll see 3, 2, 1 up top after it does a check of your microphone and your camera. And then you begin. When you're done recording, and as you're recording, you'll also notice the time frame. Right now I'm at 2 minutes and 14 seconds. You hit end recording when you're done, and don't forget to download your video. That's something I didn't remember the first time because I was just testing. I figured end the recording, you're done. But no, you do have to download it, or you can share it through a link as well to social media. But I like putting them on a video platform so I can embed them on my blog or other places online. And if you don't like how your recording came out, you can delete it at the end. After you've listened to it, you go back into Canva. If your computer screen is set up at 100%, you may have to reduce it to 90 like I do in order to see that delete button on the bottom right-hand corner. And then you just re-record it. So it's real simple to use. I'm really loving it. Thank you for watching. I hope this has been helpful to you, and please subscribe here to my video channel. Have a great day.